Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 4th day of Navraatri and today's color is red. Red symbolizes passion, auspiciousness as well as anger. Today I bring you a very simple 2-ingredient recipe, the red coconut ladoo. This recipe is not only easy and quick to make but also very delicious to eat. The red color used is totally optional. I have mixed the red color with the condensed milk so that it blends fast with the desiccated coconut. Heat a pan, add in the desiccated coconut and condensed milk. Keep mixing till it is well combined and it all comes together. A tablespoon of ghee or butter can be added in the beginning if needed. I haven't used either as coconut leaves its own oil. Switch off when it starts leaving the sides of the pan. Start rolling when it is warm enough to handle. You can observe that my palms are oily while rolling. This is the oil that is released from the coconut. When rolled, immediately coat it with the desiccated coconut. Store these ladoos in an airtight container at room temperature for a week. Enjoy this quick and simple coconut ladoos. If you enjoy watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching and meet you tomorrow in my next one.